Welcome to Infinite Station. HTML. The language for building web pages. HTML tutorial. 0 to 100. The first lesson is introducing HTML. About HTML. HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. With HTML you can create your own website. HTML is easy to learn, you will enjoy it. Examples in every chapter. This HTML tutorial contains hundreds of HTML examples. HTML exercises. This HTML tutorial also contains nearly 100 HTML exercises. HTML references. At this HTML tutorial you will find complete references about tags, attributes, events, color names, entities, character sets, URL encoding, language codes, HTTP messages, and more. HTML introduction. What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements are represented by tags. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. Browsers do not display the HTML tags, but use them to render the content of the page. A simple HTML document. Example explained. The Doctype HTML declaration defines this document to be HTML5. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. HTML tags. HTML tags are element names surrounded by angle brackets. Tag name content goes here, tag name. HTML tags normally come in pairs like P and P. The first tag in a pair is the start tag, the second tag is the end tag. The end tag is written like the start tag, but with a forward slash inserted before the tag name. Tip: the start tag is also called the opening tag, and the end tag the closing tag. Web browsers. The purpose of a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, is to read HTML documents and display them. The browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the document. HTML page structure. Below is a visualization of an HTML page structure. Note, only the content inside the body section, the white area above, is displayed in a browser. The Doctype declaration. The Doctype declaration represents the document type, and helps browsers to display web pages correctly. It must only appear once, at the top of the page, before any HTML tags. The Doctype declaration is not case-sensitive. The Doctype declaration for HTML5 is Doctype HTML. HTML versions. Since the early days of the web, there have been many versions of HTML. The end. The first lesson is over. In the next session we will begin the practical work. We will be back soon.